Hello guys, Namaste. This is PVJ and I hope all of you are doing great. I am going through some video series on the reviews of the books. Last time we reviewed the book called as Mega Living. Before that we discussed about Ikigai. And today we are going to discuss this amazing book, The Magic of Thinking Big by Dr. David Schwartz. And this book not only helps you to master yourself in your personal life, but also in your professional life with your family and your friends. So this book is having around 13 chapters. It is of around 360 pages. And what we'll do is we'll divide this review of this book in sub videos because I cannot review such an amazing book within one video. So what we'll do, we'll go a little bit chapter wise. And today we will discuss believe you can succeed and you will. So this chapter tells us about importance of believing in yourself, importance of believing that you can succeed, and if you believe then and then only will succeed. So I'll summarize this chapter in 3 points. Point number 1, to develop the power of belief, the author says, first of all, you should think of success. Because what you think that you become. If you think of success, you will be successful. If you think of success, if you act for success, and if you believe in success, then and then only you will achieve success. At your work, in your home, substitute the success thinking at the place of failure thinking. When you face any difficult situation in your life, think, I will win. When you are competing with someone, think, I am equal to the best. When opportunity appears, think, I can and I will do it. The master thought, I will succeed, make sure it dominates your thinking. Thinking success conditions your mind to create plans that produce success. So author first tells us to think success. Replace all the negativity, all the failure thinking by success thinking. This is first. Second, he says, remind yourself that you're always better than what you think of yourself. So he says, never sell yourself short. Successful people are not supermen. Success is not the thing that requires some super intellect. It is the only thing that successful people are just ordinary people, but they have developed belief in themselves and what they do. So never sell yourself short. Never ever sell yourself short. This is the second point. It is mentioned in first chapter. Third and most important point, believe in big. You should believe and think of bigger goals, not the smaller goals. The size of your success is determined by size of your belief. Think little goals and expect little achievements. Make sure you have larger goals and larger belief and bigger plans, and all the power is within you and you will surely succeed by achieving those goals. And it is also said that bigger plans and bigger goals are certainly not difficult than smaller plans and smaller goals. If you expect or if you think of smaller goals, then you should only expect smaller achievement. If you are thinking of achieving something big, then you need to have bigger belief system. So to summarize, I would say, first author says, replace everything that is related to failure by success. Think of success, believe in success, act for success, and then only you will achieve success. Second, he says, remind yourself that you are better than what you think you are. All the power is within you. Never sell yourself short. And third point, the author says, believe in big, have bigger goals. Otherwise, for smaller goals, you should expect only smaller achievement. So think big and you will be successful. In next video, we'll understand the next chapters of this book. I hope you have loved this video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. I love you all.